Happy New Year, everyone! Welcome back to another simple Instagram tutorial. We're going to show you how you can create this cool Hello 2024 Add Your Story chain for your Instagram stories. The process is absolutely the same for both iPhone and Android devices. And the first step is to open your App Store. If you are an iOS user or your Google Play Store, if you use Android, and then make sure that your Instagram application is fully updated to the latest version. If you have any pending updates right here, just make sure to hit that update button and wait a couple of minutes until Instagram updates to the latest version. When you do that, you can open Instagram and we can then continue creating our trending story. We will have to go over to an Instagram account in order to find the specific ad sticker. And that account name is Add Your Sticks. So make sure that you type in this username in the Instagram search bar and go over to this profile. This is a relatively new profile with only a couple of posts and story highlights, so it won't be difficult to find this account. After you do find it and open it, you want to go over to the highlight section and then select this Jan 2024 highlight. That is where our sticker is going to be, so just browse through the highlight until you find this Hello 2024 Add Your Sticker. Once you find it, you can create your story by tapping on this Add Your button, and that is going to open the template in our Instagram camera. You can then take a photo directly from your iPhone or Android phone camera, or you can upload a photo from your photo gallery by tapping here. And when you select a photo, you can then share this with your friends and family members on Instagram, and that's about it for this video, guys. If you want more trending Instagram story tutorials and similar, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you soon.